new. It seems like only yesterday that I built you all. But don't worry, I keep your plans safely in here, so I'll always know how to fix you.
If I could get my hands on those plans, I could make my own mechanical. Then my garage really would be the best. Wake up, Sly. I have a cunning plan.
Sly? What are you doing here? Where's Mr. Weasel? You've got a problem with your exhaust? Well, if Mr. Weasel isn't around, of course I'll take a look.
I'm going to get those plans. I'm going to get those plans. Ha-ha!
Could you pass me some pliers, please?
Give it up, trash can. The plans are mine now.
Phew! Got it! You're all fixed, Sly. Phew. Hey, Red! Do you need another repair already?
Hello, everyone. The mechanicals are having a play date with Barry and Carrie. Oops! Are you both okay? Barry and Carrie have dented their bumpers.
That was quite some boo-boo.
Oh, don't worry, you two. We'll soon get you both mended.
But you can only fix one bus at a time, Gecko. Why don't I repair Barry's bumper? Remember, every job is quickly done, so Weasel's Wheels is #1.
Are you sure, Barry? Well, okay then. I'll get to work on Carrie. Good luck, Barry.
Luck? Oh, you want to make it a competition? Sure. Whoever does the best job is the winner. Ready? Go!
How do you like your new bumper, Carrie?
You call that a bumper? Check this out!
Wow! Well done, Mr. Weasel. Barry's bumper is actually really cool.
I'm the winner! I'm the best!
This bumper's been glued on.
Yes! But it looked good.
It did. Hey, let's fix Barry together and make a bumper for Carrie.
Really? I mean, sure, I suppose.
What tools do we need?
Huh?
Drill! Polish!
Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this.
Okay, Mr. Weasel. To fix the bumper on right, use a drill to fasten the bolts tight. It's most important to be safe when bumping, but you can also be safe when the party is pumping. That's right, Mr. Weasel. A quick buff to shine. Fixing together has worked out just fine.
How about a dancing competition then? I'm sure to win that.
You're wrong.
Goodbye, everyone.
It's Mummy Truck and Baby Truck. Why are you waiting out here? The tunnel's blocked and you can't get through? I'd better take a look. Whoa! There's been a cave-in. Another cave-in! We're trapped inside. Don't worry, I've got my toolkit. We're going to need a bigger toolkit. Not even Tilly's strong enough to move the rock. How are we going to get out? Wow! I didn't know you were so strong. Mummy Truck saved the day. I'd better call Eric the excavator to clear away all these rocks. See you all soon for more fun and adventure at Gecko's garage.
Hello, everyone. There's make-believe magic in the garage today. The mechanicals are pretending to be alien explorers from another galaxy, and Baby Truck is their spaceship. Oh, you want me to turn off the lights so it's more mysterious. Okay. Be careful, alien friends. Oh, is everyone okay? Nuts and bolts. That looks like a broken tail light. Oh, poor Baby Truck. Or should I say, Baby's space rocket. We'll need to repair your tail light if you're going to fly safely back to your planet. And maybe we'll fit a new rocket thruster too. What tools do we need? Screwdriver? Superglue! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this! The first fix will be really bright. With brand new bulbs for your tail lights. This old fin has been gathering rust. We'll repair and reuse it to give us thrust. With your recycled rocket booster in place, you're ready for a journey home through space!
Baby space rocket
Launch sequence.
activated. 5, 4, 3, 2,
1. Lift off! Go, go, alien explorers!
Good luck on your intergalactic adventures! But don't be too long. Mummy Truck will be here soon to pick up Baby.
Welcome home, alien friends! Huh? Oh, hi, Mummy Truck. Goodbye, everyone.